In this video, we take a look at the marking process. Many people may have the impression that markers follow a set of marking rules rigidly. In reality, all answers that are relevant to the requirements of the question and show a sound understanding and correct application of concepts and skills will be credited. Processes are also implemented to ensure accuracy and consistency of marking. Fundamentally, ensuring fairness in marking for all candidates is a priority for SEAB. First, answer booklets are anonymized. Barcodes are used instead of candidates' names. Hence, markers will never know the identity of candidates during marking. Second, exam scripts from each school will not be assigned to markers who teach in the same school. These measures protect the integrity of the exams. Let us tell you more about the markers of these answer scripts. The marking is shared between SEAB and Cambridge Assessment. SEAB has established robust marking processes through the local marking of PSLE subjects and GCE subjects such as social studies and mother tongue languages. The coursework component of subjects like art, design and technology, and food and nutrition are marked by trained assessors in schools. These are then moderated by SEAB appointed moderators to ensure a common national standard is applied. For papers that are marked locally, SEAB appoints marking personnel to take on the roles of chief markers, assistant chief markers, team leaders and markers. These marking personnel are experienced school teachers in the respective subjects. New markers will also receive training before the marking exercise. Together with the assistant chief markers and team leaders, the chief marker will ensure all markers understand how to apply the mark scheme accurately. Let us now take a look at the marking process. The chief marker and his team will first select scripts that best illustrate the different levels of standards. These scripts are known as standardization scripts. The mark scheme will then be tested on these scripts to ensure that all acceptable answers have been captured. If necessary, the mark scheme will be updated. The chief marker and assistant chief markers will then communicate the mark scheme to team leaders through a standardization meeting. They establish a common understanding and application of the mark scheme for the marking exercise. The team leaders will then communicate the mark scheme to all markers. Throughout the marking exercise, reference will be made to these standardization scripts, which reflect the established standards. This ensures the accuracy and consistency in marking. Once marking commences, the chief marker, assistant chief markers, and team leaders are responsible for the monitoring of marking. A sample of each marker's marked scripts is reviewed daily and feedback is given to the marker on its accuracy and consistency. In conclusion, the marking process ensures that our candidates' scripts are handled securely and are marked accurately and fairly. In time to come, there will be no more pen and paper marking. Starting from 2019, SEAB is progressively implementing on-screen marking for exams that are developed or marked locally. Exam scripts are first scanned and then marked digitally using computers. By using technology, on-screen marking enhances efficiency and reliability. This also eliminates the need to transport exam scripts, thus ensuring the security of scripts. Multiple levels of random checks are implemented to maintain a high quality of marking. Marking progress can also be monitored real-time to ensure that the mark scheme is applied accurately and consistently.